Good day, everyone. I would like to kick off our beautiful week analyzing the euro dollar. Now, one of my favorite time frames to analyze is the weekly chart. And from this weekly chart, you can see very well that the euro has finally broken out from the long-term range price, and currently it's trading at about 1.1795. Now, having looked at this big spike here, just tells me that hey, I think there's some profit taking happening over here, so I do expect the euro to come down this few days, and the area that I'm looking at is about 1.1350. This is of course my favorite area. Now, having said that, price never just moved that nicely as you plan, as you know, if you've been trading for a while. So probably it can drop the drop zone before the moving up will be around here. Okay, but my long-term view on the euro is a buy for the time being. Okay, so the next time frame I'm going to look at is the daily chart. Now, from the daily chart's perspective, you can see that it's that spike on the weekly chart. It was attributed to this non-farm number here, where the US recorded a beautiful non-farm number over 200,000, and that shows that the dollar might have a little bit strength back into it. So having said that, this is an area that I'll be looking for the price to come down, because there's absolutely no what you call support area that I'm looking at the current moment in the euro. So the best place for me to work on a support area is this area. And what area is that? It is the 1.12580 area, around this area, because as you can see, prices started to stop moving after a prolonged uptrend and just stop here for a short while, and you can see spikes both sides down here and upwards. So this was a swing low. So it's just telling me this is an area that prices are the traders are looking at. So we can double confirm this area with the higher time frame, about 1.1282, right? So from the higher 1.1282 is about here. So it's even lower than 1.1350. So what does that mean? Is that this is a magnet of areas where prices will find a lot of support. So I'm hoping that this really comes eventually coming down this area. That's good for me. So whatever it is, we have to wait. As you know, if it comes down straight away is good, but if it takes its time, notice that this channel actually rises, and 1.1350 area then becomes an area of contention. So it's really not that far. It's from here to here, you see. So we have to wait a bit and see how fast this price decides to move. Looking at the 4 time frame, this already explains to you it's not easy to move as it is. Look at the barrage of support areas that the euro has to face before coming down. The very first area that they're going to find is this area. If it happens within this week, is about 1.1724 to the support area 1.1716. Having break this support, there are 2 channels over here, okay, and that these 2 channels are telling me that this is a top. That's the reason why you could see that price find it so difficult, because you have a double channel up here blocking it. And don't forget, we also have a double lower channel. So because of this area here, it presents a very, very tough time for the euro to break it. Okay, so look out for these set levels. Let me mark them for you: 1.1728, 1.1716 area, 1.1680, and right up to 1.1634. This is a tough nut to crack. So if A is able to break this barrage of support area, then the next support area will be obviously these levels, about 1.15. Let's put a round number to it. So let's wait a bit. For any buyings, I'm definitely not taking any buyings at this current moment. Let's wait for prices to come this area or this area, then we will decide. Okay, so have a nice trading week, everyone.